What's up, everybody? I wanted to share with you two different ways to install joist hangers on a deck and one mistake that most people make. So if you're doing joist hangers on a deck, and that's metal hardware right here, it is necessary, it is code required, and it just makes for a safer, better deck. And there are a couple of ways to install the fasteners. Most builders and contractors and DIYers even will get a box of nails or screws that are 1.5 inches long, and they'll use those fasteners in this connection and in this connection. And what seems to be an elusive little piece of trivia is that the 1.5 inch fastener, and you can use screws or nails, they have to be specific screws. I'll get into that in a second, but 1.5 inch screw or nail is fine here, but in the diagonal connection, it has to be a minimum of a 2.5 inch screw or a 16 penny nail. Of course, in a deck, they should be galvanized or coated like these Spax HCR-X screws. So these are suitable both structurally and from a corrosion standpoint from being outside in this application. So you can drive those with an impact driver like this, right through the hole. Simple, easy connection. Where that's not allowed, or if you prefer to use nails, or whatever the situation may be, trying to get a hammer inside this space can be a challenge. This one's easy because I'm in a perfect position, but for those times when I need to use a nail for whatever reason, I can power up to a palm nailer. And this is Ridgid's palm nailer. And I should also pause to point out that this is our demonstration site at the International Builder Show. This isn't a real house and it isn't a real deck, but this is a real application and a real problem out there. So I hope this helps you out. Using the palm nailer, I can grab the nail head with the magnet inside the palm nailer, and then just with a pretty simple touch, send that home and get a rock'em sock'em connection. The Ridgid palm nailer is quick, easy to use, and there's almost no reaction on this. So I barely feel it going in, and that's not the case with all palm nailers I've used. So from a review standpoint, this gets high marks. There goes the compressor. I'm gonna take a break. Thanks for checking this out. I'll talk to you soon. See ya.